Hello everyone, here we are again, and today I'm going to share you some tips to help you improve your listening skills. It doesn't really matter if you're preparing for the Fachhochschulreife or if you just want to improve your listening skills in general. These tips are going to help. Tip number one would be to diversify your listening sources, because while podcasts and YouTube videos are fantastic, don't limit yourself. Explore a variety of sources such as news, broadcasts, interviews, or even audiobooks, whatever you like most. This exposure to different accents, tones, and contexts will sharpen your listening activities. The next tip number two, is to use your textbooks wisely. Your textbooks, even if you think that they are boring or that you have already seen everything, they are actually a treasure of language knowledge. They cover essential topics that often appear in the examinations and all the vocabulary that you need to succeed in the listening part of the Fachhochschulreife. When you're training, when you're studying, please pay attention to the audio samples provided in your textbook, because this will reinforce what you learn and help you recognize the words in context. Next tip is going to be very clear, right? And it's to practice with real exam materials, because the best way to prepare for listening exams is by practicing with actual exam materials. Use the past examinations, the past exam, the past listening comprehension tests from previous years, because they will give you a glimpse of the format, the question types, and difficulty level. Remember, this book, my book here, provides exercises tailored to this format, and even if it lacks the audio files and the transcript, which as said already many times, you can find in the STAR book. Next tip is for you to focus on pronunciation. So listen closely to native speakers in whatever format that you prefer. What we said, you want to listen to the radio, perfect. YouTube videos, excellent. Audiobooks, well, great. Or the textbooks. Again, best thing is the exams from previous years. Pay attention at how native speakers pronounce the words, how they stress the syllables, and how they link phrases together. Use the audios from your book or from the STAR book, which is again the best option. I know that I repeat myself, but to confirm correct pronunciation. Remember that understanding the spoken language involves a bit more than just the simple comprehension. It's about understanding the details in how those words are being. And the last one is my favorite tip here, and it's the background exposure. What do I mean by that? Keep English always in the background. It doesn't really matter if it's music, radio, or TV shows, or Last Week Tonight is an excellent thing. By the way, I love that show, Last Week Tonight. But having this continuous exposure to language helps your brain to adapt. Even if you are not active listening, your subconscious mind absorbs patterns, the melody, the pronunciation, the syntax, that is the sentence structure, and of course the vocabulary. And remember that consistency is the key here. Incorporate these strategies in your daily routine while you're training, and you will see significant improvements in your listening skills. Good luck and happy training. Bye.